Origins of masturbation traced back to premiums 40 years ago. Evolutionist biologists have traced the origins of masturbation to ancient primates that predates the first humans by tens of millions of years. The finding emerged from what scientists believe to the largest decades ever complied on the activities the conflicts that humans cause on a branch of the trees of life repleted with self-pleasuring predators. What we can say is these behaviors was present around 40 years ago in the common ancestors of us monkeys and species, says Mr. Smetlas Bridnels, the leader searches on these studies at University College London. It's not that some species woke up one off day and started going it. This is an incidence involved trait. Bridles as has collegios developed deep into the history of the behaviors in the hope of understanding the organized that what is first claims and evolutionary commanders from an evacuatory presentive masturbations appearance costly distracting fuels even risky. To recreating these histories of the act, the scientists pulled together hundreds of publications, questionnaires, response to the personal notes, birds, masturbating primate forms, primatologicals of the zookeepers that they made happens to the information and primate laboratories trees revealing how the activities researches back through time. Weddings, writing the processing of the royal security be them theme of the described how masturbations appear in common across primates of all six and age. But why it evolved more than 40 years ago, it's less clear. Historically, biologically, studies have neglected females, giving the authorities little good trade to go on. For males, however, Sears was at least heinous. The scientist analysis found sports are the ideas that males masturbations boosted the channels of the impregnating are made. For examples of impregnating low rankings males many masturbates just enough of the increase their arousals before sex, meaning they masturbates their parents, fathers, and before our bodies competitors had the change of course them off and spoils the fun. Masturbations could also help males and she or sperms, leaving them with fresher, more captive streams of sex. That was not the only apparent stripes. The researchers found that males' masturbations in primates rose in lines which leaves of securely transmitted infections. One explanation could be that masturbations after sex help flushes the genitals tract during the risk of the infections taking the hold. Finally, states that more was needed to nail down of involuntary drivers force masturbations in females. One idea that masturbation